In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a story to your Instagram or your Facebook business page using Facebook's very own Meta Business Suite. Now, I know that Instagram stories are supposed to be kind of like live and in the moment, but sometimes we're doing a launch, we've got freebies or offers that we want to promote. So it's actually easier to schedule some of these stories in advance, particularly if you are using ManyChat, so you are using a comment the word automation. That means that you can schedule these stories without needing a link, because all you need to do is make sure that on the graphic that you are uploading and scheduling, it says the word that you need them to comment. So this is how it's done. So you want to open your Meta Business Suite, and I will go to Planner on the left-hand side because I like to see what I've already got scheduled in. And you can see here the yellowy, orangey, peachy ones are stories that I have already got scheduled. So if I go and schedule a story for the following Saturday, so if I schedule this for the 25th, I'll hit on schedule and schedule a story. This will ask me what time I want to schedule it for. I'll just keep that at 10 o'clock. And then I will upload the image. Now, this is an image that I have already created. It will come up here. And this is for a quiz that I'm promoting at the moment. And you will see on this, it says comment quiz. So that means that when I upload this story, people will know that to get the link, they just need to comment the word quiz. That means I don't need to upload it with a link, because even if I add a link here, I can only add it to the Facebook story. I can't actually add it to the Instagram story. So this is why combining scheduled stories with a ManyChat automation is really handy. Then all I will do is hit on schedule, and that will then show up eventually in my planner. Now, I do this quite a lot. I have quite a lot of stories scheduled, whether that's promoting a Facebook group, whether that is promoting another freebie that I'm doing. And it just takes some of the pressure off, because it means that I'm not having to remember to show up live to schedule a story with a specific link. I can do these ones, get them scheduled for the month ahead, and then I can show up ad hoc and do the freestyle stories, the more lifestyle stories that I do add in as it's live, for example. But this means that I have this content already done and scheduled. Hope that helped. And if it did, please subscribe to the channel for more hints and tips.